number of a minus b plus number of b minus a equal to number of a union b minus number of a intersection b. First find a elements, a set, b set. After that a union b find, a intersection b find, a minus b and b minus. That process you know. Okay. Now write first a set, write a equal to a, b, c, d, o, u. Number of a equal to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next b equal to o, u, r, s, t. Number of b equal to what? 5. Any doubt? Next one, a union b. A union b. A value is what? This value is a only. After that, one more thing. Mu equal to a, b, c, d, o, u, r, s, t, g, e, f. These all values are mu. Get up? These all values are mu. This only a, this only b, but g, e, f also mu values. Means all values in mu. Okay na? Now questions. These questions write as it is one by one. A union b. A union. A value is what? A, b, c, d, o, u. Union b values. O, u, r, s, t. A union b. Answer what? All right only. A, b, c, d, o, u, r, s, t. Number of A union b equal to what? How many? 4, 8, 9. Next one, A intersection b. A intersection b. A value is what? A, b, c, d, o, u. Intersection o, u, r, s, t. Intersection means common only. Common what here? O, u. So number of A intersection b equal to 2. Next one, A minus b. A minus b. A values A, b, c, d, o, u and minus b values o, u, r, s, t. A minus b means what? This part only. This part only, right? Okay. So A, b, c, d. Number of A minus b. Number of A minus b equal to 4. Next b minus a. B minus a. B values write first. O, u, r, s, t minus a values a, b, c, d, o, u. So this b minus a, this part right, r, s, t. R, s, t. Number of b minus a equal to 3. Okay. Now question what? Number of a minus b plus number of b minus a equal to number of a union b minus number of a intersection b. So this values write down a union b. A minus b. A minus b this only 4 plus b minus a 3 equal to a union b 9. A intersection b 2. 4 plus 3 7. 9 minus 2. So LHS equal to RHS. Okay na? Any doubt this question? Any doubt? So first write this.